In Grade 10 Life Sciences, Question 3 is all about the scientific method. Please pause the video to read the following question. Let's break down an enzyme investigation step by step. Please pause the video and read question 3.1. Now let's start with 3.1.1. A hypothesis is a short sentence that predicts what will happen in an investigation and explains why. Easy rule to remember. If what you change, the independent variable, then what will happen, the dependent variable, because a scientific reason. Example: if a plant receives more sunlight, then it will grow taller, because sunlight is required for photosynthesis. Key points to remember. A hypothesis must be testable. It must clearly identify the independent variable and dependent variable. It should be written as a statement, not a question. It should include a scientific reason. Now that we understand how to write a hypothesis, let us apply it to this investigation. First, we identify what is being changed. In this investigation, the learners changed the temperature, so temperature is the independent variable. Next, we identify what is being measured. The learners measured the amount of glucose produced, which shows the activity of salivary amylase. This is the dependent variable. Now we put this information into the if, then, because format. A suitable hypothesis for this investigation would be: if the temperature increases, then the activity of salivary amylase will increase and more glucose will be produced, because enzymes work faster at higher temperatures up to an optimum temperature. Great work so far. Now please pause the video now and carefully read question 3.1.2 and question 3.1.3. Question 3.1.2 asks us to identify the independent variable. In this investigation, the learners changed the temperature of the test tubes. Therefore, the independent variable is temperature. Question 3.1.3 asks us to identify the dependent variable. Here, the learners measured the amount of glucose produced, which shows the activity of the enzyme. Therefore, the dependent variable is the amount of glucose produced. Let's now go through the correct answers for question 3.1, step by step. Question 3.1.1 Hypothesis. If the temperature increases, then the activity of salivary amylase will increase and more glucose will be produced, because enzymes work faster at higher temperatures up to an optimum temperature. Question 3.1.2 Independent variable. The independent variable is the temperature. Question 3.1.3 Dependent variable. The dependent variable is the amount of glucose produced. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, learners. If you still have questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video. Share it with other learners who might need help with life sciences. And make sure you subscribe or follow so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep working hard, you've got this.